Okay, just so you don't have a video of only the new trailer and trailer upgrades, we've got Ernie that's come down. Up north. He lives in Florida. He's officially a Florida man. We're doing brakes on this car and scaling it with our new fancy Proform scales. So we'll get a video of that here in a little bit, doing cross weight and front and rear, and figuring out what our overall is and trying to adjust all that. Putting the front sway bar on it, and we're losing how much on each side?
20 pounds per corner for the brakes, and 25 pounds off in the back because of the anti-gravity battery.
That's right. Show you the battery. Okay, before we get over to the battery, this is our new brake rotor. Got our WASFab front angle kit, obviously our yellow speed coilovers. Got our sway bar on here, and Ernie fabbed up a little deal because we've got the last version of WASFab blowers. The new one has pickups for a sway bar. But anyway, got our new anti-gravity battery here. So this is a pretty cool deal. Like, you might be asking, why does it have a key fob?
Really? Here, you need me to hold that for you?
Yeah, model that anti-gravity battery for us. Look at that.
Would you like this battery here?
It's a mere, what is it? How much does this weigh?
I don't know. It's 25 pounds less than a certain red colored top battery.
Yeah, so way less. Has better cold cranking amps, and it has this nifty little button right here. It also has a button right here, so that if you go full idiot like I'm known to do from time to time and forget and leave everything on in the car, this thing will save enough battery to, if you hit this button or this button, it will revive the battery enough to be able to refire the car multiple times in the event that you go full idiot.
Like you're in grid and you leave your fans and your water pump and your heat exchanger pump and everything else all running.
Yeah, so we're excited about this. Ernie's gonna fab up a new battery mount that's nicer and doesn't have it quite so low to the ground. It makes him happier. And I don't know what we're gonna do with this stuff. Maybe we'll just save it for spares for Vet Carlo. I don't know. But anyway, that's what we're up to right now. All right, we're using our drift car lift to raise this thing up. Ernie's been at it hard for 2 days now. We're about to use our sweet new Proform scales. It's one of them. Comes in this really nice box too. And we're gonna scale this car.
It is in fact a really nice box.
And see what we got, see how much weight we pulled off of it. What did this thing weigh when you first started?
Like when you first asked me to come along?
Yeah.
3,340 something pounds.
3,340 something.
With you in it.
With me in it. All right. Well, let's see what we got. All right, so that's our total weight, 2885 without me in it.
Don't be giving my quarter weights away before I adjust anything.
Look at the front.
Well, I know that son of a gun's heavy. Oh!
No, but that's even.
Oh, I'm not even touching that. Go sit in it. We're going to get heavy once you sit in it.
So, got it sitting on there. Zeroed it out. All right, let's see. All right, coming down. It's an aggressive come down.
It was an aggressive come down.
3085. What can we weigh?
3,000 pounds.
3,000.
We got 50 pounds we can lose still.
Yep, okay.
That's full of gas and full of everything, like loaded. That's full of weight.
Okay, got our Corvette all scaled up on the Proform scales. Comp Cam's Corvette's ready to go. Up to Lanier, you can see, got the light still on. We're gonna burn up some Kenda tires tomorrow at Caffeine and Octane Speedway. And things are gonna go great, right? Okay, made it out to Caffeine and Octane Speedway, Lanier Raceplex. You'll notice I'm wearing my work shirt, my high-vis. Got my Kenda hat, but had a comp and a Proform shirt, and somehow I grabbed tomorrow's clothes. So they were mediums, and I don't fit in a medium. But anyway, made a few laps. Car's feeling pretty good. Just running on some scrubs right now. run those out and keep working on some grip setup and stuff, and then we'll put some news on. Make sure we're set up for, where are we going next? St. Louis, that's the one. Gearing feels good. From Formula Drift St. Louis. Got the new rig behind us. Nothing's unloaded yet, but we're about to tear into this thing and unload and set up the tent. So this is the not fun part about FD, but here we go. All right, it's officially up. The tent fits on the new trailer. I'm super happy about that. So we got our Kenda Tire tents up on our Comp Cams Corvette. This thing is ready to go. We're still setting up our stuff. Make sure you stop by here, register to win a comp cam by scanning the QR code right there. And hopefully we'll see you around here this weekend. Okay, so got our anti-gravity battery sticker on here. That's pretty cool. This thing spins so much faster. Fires right up. Not an issue in the world. Really happy with all that.
It does in fact start now.
It does start.
Anti-gravity battery.
The way for sure. And we were able to use our regular battery mount that Ernie thought he was gonna have to cut all to pieces. Yeah, still probably gonna happen in the off season, but it's all good for now. So we're cleaning up, we're getting our pit set up, getting all our merch stuff set up, and our giveaways. Make sure you stop by here. Check out our Yellow Speed coilovers, check out our Kenda hats, check out our Comp and Edelbrock sunglasses and banners and all that cool stuff. About to go to driver's meeting and check out practice. Okay, fully set up. Got our shirts, got our stickers, all the stuff. Car's almost ready. Got to replace the handbrake one more time. Figured out that the 5/8 was not enough for the new calipers that we have. We borrowed a 1-inch from Nick Novak at Lanier. That was way too much, and now we got a 3/4 we're gonna put in it. That's gonna be just right. Time to the driver's meeting. Trying to get away from the terrible music playing in the grandstands. Towing Kelsey off, just did a board slide on the outer one. So a lot of changes to the track this year. Unfortunately, FD didn't know about them either. That was just a surprise for all of us when we showed up this morning. There was not supposed to be a wall on outer zone 1 here. So over here you initiate. This all right here is outer 1. That's normally not a wall there, but they said we did a bunch of damage to the grass, so they put a wall there. It's not pinned, so not super safe, pretty stressful that somebody might get hurt there, but hopefully not. We transition there into outer 2, come around right here. This wall here is outer 3. Come around here, transition into outer 4. This is the other change they made. They tightened this. We used to like finish way out here, and they tightened it right here because they don't want us coming on the big track, because IndyCar is coming here in a few weeks, and I guess we gouged up the surface you know, last year and the year before. So that's all well and good. We just didn't know until today, which obviously not ideal. But anyway, watching Jace do a lap here in Pro Spec, see what he can do, and we'll be getting ready to go to practice here shortly. Well, I was watching practice, and this is what I came back to. Welcome to St. Louis, the land of the Windy City. It's not Chicago, it's St. Louis. Whew. Sucks, Chris. hot dang drift wizards has done goofed my door and my quarter panel all up. It looked like I run 500 laps at Martinsville. I'm gonna have to go over to him and see what he has to say for himself.
Tell him to use his drift wizard powers and wizard it.
Yeah, shake it.
Yeah.
Here.
Where's the stick? He's got the stick.
Yeah, let me, here. I gotta find a stick or something. This is Asphalt Anarchy's equivalent of a magic stick, so we'll see if this fixes it. Bang! The adjustable wrench fixed it right up. Isn't that right, Ernie? Alright. Time to go back out for the next practice session. Alright, we got the whole team signing shirts now.
Oh, goodness. And tomorrow with the heart and everything? Freaking, you were like, I'm not good at this. Let me just write my perfect signature. Like...
Did Mike disappear? Alright, so we had the turtle at the last round, and now we've got a duck with boots on it. So, oh, it just crapped. Projectile pooping. That's pretty cool. It's got his little shoes. Just chilling. Oh, I think it's got an armband on it around the neck. That's funny. Alright. I didn't think this was going to happen this early, but we got this Koenig wheel that unfortunately took a big hit. And where'd this one get hit? Well, Atlanta?
Atlanta. That was the rumbles in Atlanta when you went mudding.
Oh, that was the wall in Atlanta.
Yeah, well, rumbles then wall, yes.
Yeah, so we hit the wall with that one in Atlanta. And first person to buy a shirt, I said we were going to give the wheel and tire away, so congratulations.
There's your wheel and tire.
You have a wheel and tire to take home with you. So thanks to Koenig for always being good enough to replace some that we unfortunately junk, and thing still holds air. We ran another lap on it to finish that Kenda tire off, but now it's got a new home, and I'm sure we'll be on display, so thank you. Well, we're all finished up with practice, and I'm in the unique position that I can film a video with the lights on in my trailer because it's not embarrassing. It's nice and light and clean in here, so that's cool and insulated and quiet and kind of not miserable. It's hot, but it's not like, you know, the bowels of Satan hot like it normally is in St. Louis this time of year. So anyway, we just finished up with our final round of practice. We got our 12 laps, which is crazy. It's like, I think it's the first time all year we've gotten 12 laps. And I needed them because I wasn't doing awesome for the first half of practice or so. Decent chases, good sections of leads, but never a complete lap. The second to last lead I did was probably my best lap. Some things in the last lap that were okay, and some things to work on for sure, but had a couple decent chases. I think we got a few things we can work on in the car to add some grip and work on gearing and a few other things trying to work with Tamara and Ernie and the team on, but overall car did great. We had one issue at the first lap of practice where a bolt backed out, and we got that sorted back and put it all back together and cleaned up the wrap, and you know, we're gonna nut and bolt this thing and say hey to some fans on Friday. So this video will probably come out Friday morning sometime, so if you're in the St. Louis area, come by, say hey, grab some merch, grab some giveaway stuff, register to win a comp cam. If you're liking this content, consider liking, commenting, subscribing. We really appreciate that and really helps our channel grow. But thanks to everybody who's watching, and we will see you on the competition video Saturday.